Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, send me nice comments, share my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube page. I show you a lot of magician tricks like this one. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first to you. So today we're working on a 2007 GMC Acadia. Looks a lot worse than what it is. Got a key stuck in the ignition. The reason the key is stuck in the ignition is because the power assist on the shifter interlock is bad. At least that's what we believe, but I'm going to show you how to get the key out so you don't drain your battery. You're going to need a 7mm socket and a Phillips screwdriver. I probably went a little bit crazy on this one because I also need to diagnose the actual problem too. So what we're going to do to get the key out is, once we got all this plastic crap taken apart, right behind the ignition, right inside here, is a little lever, and it's hard to look through the camera and push it. If you push that, that's going to allow you to get this out. Now, just for now, for a temporary fix, we're going to go ahead and we're going to wrap a zip tie around there. This is just the interlock for this key to be able to remove. So once you do that, now you can't get it back, but once you push this, then you can get it to go back. What's going on is there's either a bad electrical motor inside here, or there's a bad electrical motor down here that's not sending signal, or it could be your brake switch. So we've got three things going on, but I just wanted to show you the simplest way to get it out of there. And you can just take a zip tie, wrap it around there, and hold this like this, and it won't cause any problems or drains that I know of. Can't quote me on that, but like I said, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Share my video, subscribe to my page. God bless. Have a great day.